Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Global Home Cooking. Today we are making butter chicken. Butter chicken is one of the most loved Indian curries in the world. Rich, creamy and full of flavor, this dish combines tender chicken with smooth tomato and butter sauce, perfectly balanced with aromatic spices. In today's video, I will show you how to make delicious restaurant style butter chicken at home in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. You can see the list of ingredients on the screen now. If you are interested in making this recipe, feel free to pause the video and write it down before. I have 1.5 kilos of chicken thigh fillet cut into bite-sized pieces. The next main ingredient is tomato. I am using 6 medium sized tomatoes chopped. I also have 2 medium sized onions finely chopped. For the marinade, flavor, I am using 1 cup of natural yogurt. For the spices, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, salt to taste, and I have 3 tablespoons of butter, fresh cream, and 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Now that all our ingredients are ready, let's start cooking this delicious butter chicken. First, take a bowl, add the curry powder, garam masala, turmeric, black pepper, chili powder, and salt into the yogurt. Use a spoon to mix the spices together. Mix everything well until become a smooth and creamy. You will notice that the mixture is quite thick, so I am adding a little water to loosen it. Mix well until it forms a thick curry paste. Once the paste is ready, keep it aside for now. Now heat a pan with a little oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. To the chicken, I add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper and a little salt. These spices come from the ingredient list we prepared earlier. Mix everything well and let the chicken cook in the oil. As you can see, the chicken releases some water while cooking. Let it cook until most of the liquid dries up a little. Now my chicken is ready, so I will remove it from the pan and keep it in the separate bowl. Using the same pan, I add butter and about a teaspoon of oil. Next, add ginger and garlic paste. I am using about 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic. I am using store-bought paste, but you can also crush fresh ginger and garlic if you prefer. Now I add chopped onion and cook them until they become soft and fragrant. Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook everything together until the tomatoes become soft and release their flavor and aroma. For this recipe, I am using my homemade curry powder and garam masala. I have already posted a video showing how to make curry powder and garam masala from scratch. So if you haven't watched them yet, please check them out. Homemade spices make the butter chicken even more delicious. Now I add the spice and yogurt mixture we prepared earlier. Mix everything well and let it cook together for a few minutes. Once it's cooked, we need to blend the sauce until it becomes very smooth. Butter chicken needs a silky smooth sauce. So I am using stick blender to blend this mixture. After blending, I strain the sauce through a sieve to remove any lumps or fibers. This helps us get perfectly smooth curry sauce. Look at that beautiful color. The color comes from the homemade curry powder, garam masala, turmeric, and chili powder. All these spices give the curry its rich color and flavor. Now let it cook for about 10 minutes so the chicken absorb all the flavors of the sauce. Now the butter chicken is almost ready. Since this is butter chicken, I am adding a little extra butter. Of course, butter is what gives this dish its rich flavor. Finally, turn off the heat and sprinkle a little fresh cream on top to make the curry creamy and smooth. And now our delicious butter chicken is ready to serve. And here is our delicious butter chicken, rich, creamy, and full of flavor. Today I am also using it for a simple meal prep. I have packed it with steamed rice, steamed vegetables, and generous portion of butter chicken. These meal prep boxes can go straight into the fridge, making it very convenient for the busy days. Butter chicken is also incredible versatile. You can enjoy it with bread, roti, string hoppers, naan, or even pasta. It tastes amazing with almost anything. It's easy to make, full of flavor, and perfect for family meal or meal prep. You should definitely give this recipe a try. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe to Global Home Cooking channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next recipe.